it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with NeeCJae. Today I want to show you how to exfoliate. If you are interested in seeing this video, then you stay tuned. I've discussed exfoliating your skin once before, but I did not do a demonstration on how to exfoliate your skin. As we just live and age, you know, you receive new cells, new skin cells each and every day, you know. So as we're younger, our skin cells, it sheds off, it comes and it sheds it by itself, and it removes, and you will see the new beautiful skin. This happens pretty often, okay? But as we age, it tends to slack up a little bit. It doesn't remove like it used to, you know. So it just builds on layers and layers of skin that can make our skin look really dull and just less lifeless. So you want to bring life back to your skin. So what I found to be the best solution is exfoliating. You can use several different types of exfoliating. You can use one that's daily, just gentle and daily, which I will show you in just a few, or you can use one that's just for, you can maybe use twice a week, you know, or once a week, depending on your skin type. I have very dry skin, so I tend to use it maybe once or twice a week. I have is by Oil of Olay, and it's age defying. And this one right here is just a daily gentle exfoliator. So it daily removes the buildup off of your skin. And this one is what I'm going to use today, just to show you how I exfoliate. And this one is by St. Ives Acne Control Oil Free Acid Acne Medication Apricot Scrub. It's prevent acne and even skin tone. I like to preferably at nighttime exfoliate and rinse everything off, but I'm doing the daytime just to show you exactly what I do. The first thing that I want to do is dampen my skin. My skin is already cleansed, but I want to go ahead and dampen it when you exfoliate. It's always good to do that. Alright, I start off with a little bit of the exfoliator, and I gently massage it on my skin. Around the nose area, around the chin, mouth, even the lips if you want to. I like to exfoliate my lips as well, and I go around the eye area. I don't go all the way up to the eye area, but close enough, and my forehead. In a circular motion, you just continue to do this. I may do this about maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Just gently do this. And I don't forget my neck. The neck is very important as well. Now I rinse my face and I pat it dry with a towel, and you can just tell the difference. My skin just feels really soft to the touch, and then you follow with your regular regimen, moisturizer or whatever. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any comments or questions, please put it in the comment box below. I'm gonna put a link in the description box below where you can actually purchase these items, okay? And yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you like this kind of videos, let me know, and I will try to do more of them for you. Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.